Ma'am, now are you able to hear me?
Yes.
Yesterday, when I was doing the magic rock practice, I thought about 10 good things happened in my day yesterday.
So that was not necessary. You could have, the magic rock practice doesn't say that you have to find only 10 things. It could be 20, it could be 15, it could be 7, it could be 8, it could be 9. Okay, count your blessings is minimum 10, but magic rock practice you can exceed any number. Is that clear? Because so many good things happen during the day, na? Maybe sometimes little good things happen. So you don't have to just count 10. But if you have counted, it's fine. But that was not the intention. Yes, Shivani, I was just asking you whether your friend from London is there, because I don't know, wanted to see her.
No, ma'am. She is not here.
She was there yesterday, day before yesterday.
No, ma'am. Hasn't joined.
Okay. The reason, the time?
Yeah, time issue.
Acha. Okay. And how are you? Are you able to? You had attended yesterday, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Started doing Count Your Blessings in Magic Rock.
Yes, ma'am.
Lovely. Awesome. So anything you wanted to share about it?
Ma'am, yes, I feel very healthy because right now mom eating all that going on. So today I feel very better than yesterday.
Awesome. I'm so happy. Very good. Very good. So this practice, everyone who on the call, just understand magic rock practice and count your blessings practice. What are we doing? We have created a circle of gratitude, and now onwards all the chapters is going to take the circle to a next level. So this is the base of our magic book, the Count Your Blessings and Magic Rock practice. And if you are thinking that no, it's not necessary, I'm not going to do it, then you're making the biggest mistake of your life for those who haven't yet experienced it. Because you are hearing the sharings now. So many people are sharing so many beautiful things. And this is just the beginning. This is just the beginning. As you proceed, if you are, supposing you are not doing one magical practice, day 0, we were told that if you miss one practice, then you go 3 days before. So if you're not doing, then you have to start from Count Your Blessings, which you're already doing, right? So my request to all of you is that you have taken out your precious time to be on the call, be on this journey. Please walk on this journey with excitement, with enthusiasm, with joy and happiness. Don't take it as any other book. I'm again and again telling you. But still, if you want to do, it's your choice. The universe is giving you a choice. It's giving you the freedom to choose. Now it's you will be choosing. Yes, now supposing you have a choice of 3 flavors of ice cream. You're going to choose one of them, right? Or who's going to take all 3? Supposing you have a choice, who's going to take all 3? Yes, no. Okay, just wait 1 minute. I'm not being able to see the messages on the chat. I can only see Drashti's message, which is a direct message. How do I go? Why is it not reflecting? 1 second, huh? Again, Drashti's message is coming.
Ma'am, it is because she sent yes in everyone before she had sent something to you on the direct.
Yeah, so now how do I go read everyone's messages?
Ma'am, to read that, you just have to scroll up.
I got it. Wow, you're really magical, huh, Kashvi? I clicked on the arrow and I got it. Wow. Awesome. Yes, so yes, who was sharing? 1 second, huh? Vrishti, let others also share 1 minute. Yes. Anybody else wants to share? Okay, who all didn't do the magic rock practice and count your blessings? Just write it on the chat. Honestly, write, because it's going to help you only. I'm not going to start the 3rd chapter before that. I'm telling you, and I'm not going to leave you all also before I complete the 3rd chapter today. Don't sit like this. Come on, say yes, no. Lavdi did it. What is this knee? What is this Yavi? What have you written? No, not didn't. Okay, not
Yeah,
that
I could not do it, but my brother did it.
you talk about yourself only.
No, me and my brother are doing it together. Me and Samar.
So you talk about yourself. Who is this? Anirudh. You just say, I am Anirudh, I couldn't do it. Okay, Samarth will talk about himself. Even if you're doing together at the same place. Okay. Vishwa, I did it. Okay, lovely, lovely, lovely. So all of you who have done it, you don't have anything to share for today. Okay, it's fine. You can take your time, 2-3 days after that. Maybe you're thinking that my sharing is not that good. Never think that, because a sharing is a sharing. It's a unique sharing which you have experienced it. So never feel that, no, I don't know how others will feel. This is a platform where you have to really, really be confident and speak in front of others. Okay. So yes, Vrishti wanted to share. You can tell me.
Yeah, ma'am. Today I was just walking my compound and I listened a ambulance going. So I just tell that in my mind that whoever is going in this ambulance, he or she will be fine and come him or her house soon.
Very good. But Vrishti, the question was of the magic rock practice, not this.
Yeah,
So
ma'am.
you have to only share, because since you have done this book earlier, so people all in the rest of the people who are doing this book for the first time, it will be Latin, French for them. What are you talking? Because they will not understand, na? So this chapter we haven't read as yet. So that's why I told you on the first day itself, whenever you're reading this book, don't feel that you know everything about the book. Feel that you're reading for the first time. Then only you will be able to get more and more things. Okay,
Okay.
Vrishti? So just keep the sharings to the chapter which we are doing. Okay,
Yeah.
lovely, lovely. So yes, so
Thank
then
you.
we can, nobody else wants to share anything. Nobody else wants to share. Whoever did.
Ma'am, I have, but it's about past.
Sorry.
I have one thing, but it happened in the past, more than a year ago.
What about the magic rock?
No. I have a sharing. What happened? It was like a miracle.
Acha, so can we do it after the session?
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am, sure.
after we complete the chapter.
Yeah.
Yeah, we
Yes,
all
ma'am.
would love to hear, but after the chapter. Okay, so we can start the chapter. Okay, so okay, so Meg, did you do? Arshia, Meg, Snehi, Vishwa. Vishwa, you said you've done it, but you have any sharings, Vishwa?
Excuse me, miss.
And I'm telling you again, for those who haven't done today itself, please do the magic rock practice to get wonders in your life. Okay, so let's start the reading. If you don't want to share, it's your choice. Labdi will read and Hia will read. So Labdi, you can start reading.
Miss.
And the rest of you, please mute yourself. The person who's reading, make sure there is no noise around you. Otherwise, someone else will read. Okay, because then you will not understand the chapter. And for those of you who put your videos off, if you feel that I can do something else along with listening to the book, then please don't do that. Again, I'm telling you, let's do a concentrated practice for just 1 hour. We are here together. Okay, just give yourself some time. Don't just, don't just think what is going to happen, or just give yourself at least 4-5 days and you will get the feel of the book. Maybe right now you're not understanding the value of the book. Is everyone understanding this? Yes, no? Lovely.
Yes.
So he is saying, ma'am, I did it, dear. Awesome. Very good, dear. Lovely, you can start reading and make sure there's no noise.
Yeah, it will be not. I am in the room.
The rest of you, while the reader is reading, you also read with the reader, but please mute yourself, everyone, okay? And please don't unmute yourself and speak anything in between. I don't want any sharings in between. The sharings will always be taken. Any questions you have, just make a note of the questions in your notebook, and you're going to ask at the end of the session when we complete the chapter. So it's 8 o'clock now. Let's start. Magical relationships. One sec, okay? I'll share the screen. One sec. So let's look at the picture, magical relationships. You can see a lovely, happy picture with the pictures. There's a family picture here, two kids and the mom, and everybody can see. And then this, there's again a happy picture, so family picture, and everything feels very beautiful. And magic dust is falling on the family. So it's the chapter is about relationships. Relationships means the people around you, whoever you are living with, your parents, your grandparents, your siblings, your the building people, the watchman, your house help. So many people are there which help you in your day-to-day living around you. Yes, so just today's chapter is about remembering everyone, all of the people, all of our relations who make our life better, because of whom we would, our life would be so boring without them. Right now you must be thinking, no, I would really love to stay alone, but for some time it's fine. Okay, so let's read the chapter and understand what we are trying to say. Yes, magical relationships. Imagine.
Imagine if you were the only person on earth. You would have no desire to do anything. What would be the point in creating a painting if no one could see it? What would be the point in composing music if no one could hear it? What would be the point in inventing anything if there was no one to use it? There would
Now, who did this?
There would be.
One second. Let me disable this. Okay, yeah. There would be.
There would be no reason to remove from one place to another because wherever you went would be the same as where you were. No one would be there. There would be no pleasure or joy in your life.
Please continue.
Okay. It's your contact and experiences with other people that give your life joy, meaning and purpose. Because of that, your relationships affect your life more than anything else. To receive the life of your dreams, it's which ma'am, what's written that?
To receive the life of your dreams, it's vital that you understand. Means it's important that you understand.
Okay. It's vital that you understand how your relationships affect your life now and how they are the most powerful channels of gratitude to start magically change your life.
Yes, so just pause here. So just for few seconds, just imagine that there would be no person on this planet and you are the only person on this planet. How would it be? In your home also, in your building also, you're the only person. You have to do all the things yourself, and everything starting from cleaning, mopping, arranging things, buying things, procuring things, bringing things from outside, cooking, everything you'll only have to do. Wouldn't it be boring? Somebody tell me yes, no. Would you be able to handle everything? Yes, no.
No, miss.
So then what? So that brings us to the point where we can understand what is the importance of the people around us, like our parents, our mom, our dad, our grandparents. How often we get irritated with them, isn't it? And we just back answer them, or we just just do, we speak anything to them, we do anything to them. And so let's understand the value of these people around us. Just imagine that each one of them are contributing so much in your life. Just imagine, I request all of you to bring the people around you, your friends, your teachers, the building people who maintain the building, the watchman of the building, how he takes care of the security of the building. Even when we are sleeping in the night, he's awake and just moving around. Why all these people are doing this for us? And just imagine, na? So why are we understanding this? You must be wondering, why are we talking of all these people? Because after doing Count Your Blessings and Magic Rock, now the third chapter is relationships. So this book, the structure of this book is so designed that how important each thing is, the importance of each area in a life. So relationships, money, health, like that, career. So relationship is really, really important. And why is it important is that to receive the life of your dreams, the dreams which we have written. If you really want to achieve those dreams, then you really have to understand that how, if supposing you are, some people, they you must have heard or you must have seen, there are some people, something happens, some random thing happens, even the smallest of the thing happens, and it touches them so much that they stop talking to that person, isn't it? Have you seen anybody? Yes, no?
Yes.
Yeah, I have
Yeah.
seen now, but it's me only.
Yeah.
Yes.
So then what you are doing now, you just identify that for yourself. Something like this has happened in your life, or it's been happening in your life, then you're stopping the flow of energy which is going to make you fulfill your dreams, the dreams which you have written for yourself. So now let's see what we can do. Yes, let's continue. Science is now confirming the wisdom.
Yeah. Science is now confirming the wisdom of great sages of the past, with research studies showing that people who practice gratitude have closer relationships, are more connected to family and friends, and have another people look upon them favorably. But probably the most, what is written that?
Astounding, matlab surprising.
Okay.
Astounding is statistic that has come out of research studies is.
Oh yeah. Astounding.
1 second, Lavdi, just wait. Okay, can anybody check, have I started recording or not?
Yeah, you have started.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am, I have started.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am, started. That has come out of research studies is that for everyone complaint about another person, whether in thought or word, there have to be 10 blessings for the relationship to flourish. Any else than 10 blessings for everyone complaint, and the relationship will what's that?
Deteriorate. And if the relationship is a marriage, it will most likely end in a divorce. Okay, so very important what is coming up over here, that for one complaint about another person, whether in thought or words. So supposing you've just thought, you haven't expressed, you've just thought in your mind, but you have not spoken in words. So whether you have just thought, whether it's a thought in the mind, a thought comes in the mind, right? Before you speak, you always think, right? And then the words come out. And with that, you also feel, okay? So the feeling part is not coming now, just the thinking part and the speaking part is coming. So if you are thinking or speaking for something negative about somebody, then you have to understand this, that you have to write 10 blessings for that relationship to become better. And any less than 10 blessings for one complaint, you just understand that your relationship. Rabdi, you please mute yourself. So any less than 10 blessings for every one complaint, and the relationship will not be good. So this is what is the very important thing that we are going to learn from this chapter, that okay, you want to complain, you can complain. But then just be prepared to write 10 blessings. How we're writing count our blessings in the morning, na? Like that, for one complaint in a day, for any area of your life, whether it's relationship, whether it's money, whether it's your career, whether it's your friends, whether it's anybody. If you have just made one complaint, then you have to sit and write 10 blessings. 2 complaints, 20. 3 complaints, 30. Is everybody understanding this? This is very, very important. Okay, so this chapter, in the 3rd chapter only, this book has told us that you do whatever you want to make a complaint, well and good, you can do it, but be prepared to write 10 blessings. Now let's read. Gratitude makes relationships flourish. One second, Labdi, I'm reading this para.
Okay.
Gratitude makes, and you please mute yourself. Gratitude makes relationships flourish. As you increase your gratitude for any relationship, you will magically receive an abundance of happiness and good things in that relationship. And gratitude for your relationships doesn't change only your relationships, it also changes you. Do you understand this? It's not only about the other person, it's about you also. It's not about if you are being grateful to your mom, don't you feel that you will feel happy from inside? It changes you also. Yes, no? If you are grateful for something your dad has done, you know, he's got something for you, a big surprise he's got for you, and you say thank you and you hug your dad and say, then don't you feel that you are happy from inside, joyful from inside, excited from inside? Yes, no? Everyone? Yes, no? Yes. Okay, others? Lovely, lovely. So this is what happens, you know, when you are grateful. So this entire book is going to teach us about that one beautiful feeling, which is gratitude. Different ways how you can, you know, we're going to learn so many different ways. So no matter what your temperament is now, gratitude will give you more patience, understanding, compassion, and kindness, to the point where you won't even recognize yourself. So it doesn't matter how you're feeling, how is your nature, how do you respond to situations. But one thing is for sure, one thing the book is promising you, that if you are grateful, then you will get more of patience. Just make a note of these words today. You'll get more of patience, understanding. Compassion means what? You will understand the other person. Okay, not only you, but you'll understand the other person, because you'll keep you in the other person's shoes. And kindness, you'll become very kind and gentle and soft spoken. So when all these changes will come, then you will, you know, someday if you sit with yourself, you'll feel, am I the same person what I was before I started reading the book? You'll get a different answer. Okay, so the little irritations you once felt and the complaints you had in your relationships will disappear, because when you truly grateful for another person, there's nothing you want to change about that person. That's so beautiful. When you are appreciating the other person, when you're thankful to the other person, then there'll be nothing that you want to change about the other person. That's very natural. It will happen naturally. And the most beautiful thing what happens is you won't criticize, you won't complain or blame them, because you're too busy being grateful for the good things about them. When we're doing the magic crop practice, do you remember any complaints what has happened? Because the things, what good things are more than the complaints, isn't it? Have you found, those of you doing the magic crop practice? Yes. So this is the beautiful thing which is going to happen when you do this. In fact, you won't be able to see the things you used to complain about. You can read these lines, Labdi. We can only be said. Labdi, are you there? Okay, Labdi.
Ma'am, she's on mute. Ma'am, she's on mute.
Labdi, you want to read these lines?
Yeah, sorry, by mistake I was muted. We can only be said to be alive in those moments when our hearts are conscious of our treasures.
Thornton Wilder, 1897 to 1975, writer and playwright. Okay, just mute yourself, Labdi. We can only be said to be alive. What does alive means? Alive means active, aware, vibrant, and loving, and living also. So you are said to be loving and living in those moments when your hearts are conscious of our treasures. What is treasures over here? Is it a treasure hunt or something? What is it? What is treasure? Anybody has any guesses?
Yeah, I have.
Yes, I have.
Gratitude.
No.
Thankfulness.
Ma'am,
Yes,
khazana.
anybody else? Can you write it on the chat? What are treasures? What is this chapter about? What is this chapter about? Are? What is the name of the chapter we are reading? This chapter, today's chapter.
Relationship.
Magic.
Relationships. Yes, relationships. So our relations are our biggest treasures. Have we ever thought about it? Thank you, Krupa. Lovely. Vrishti, Mahir, very good. So relationships is the most beautiful treasure that we have in our life. So start respecting, start, being thankful to them, being grateful to them. Just go and hug your parents, hug your mom, hug your dad and say, thank you for all what you have done for me. I'm really grateful to you. You've given me so much. So like that, you have to express your thankfulness to all the relationships. So yes, thank you, Lavti, for reading. Here you can start reading. Words are very powerful.
Words are very powerful. So when you complain about any person, you actually harm your life. It is your life that will suffer. By the law of attraction, whatever you think or say about another person, you bring to you. This is the very reason why the greatest mind and teacher of the world have told us to be grateful. They knew that for you to receive more in your life, for your life to magically increase, you have to be grateful for others just as they are. What if every person close to you say, I love you just the way you are? How would you feel?
This is really beautiful para from this chapter. So words are very powerful. Every word that you say, supposing not only if you say what you hear. So just now when I'm speaking or when the reader was reading, every word has a power, with what kind of expression you're reading, with where you're pausing, whether you're pausing in the commas, whether you're pausing in the full stop, and supposing, you have to feel every word. That's why I always tell you all to feel every word when you are reading. So because the words are really powerful. So if you understand that the words are powerful, then when you complain about any person, actually the power of the words is directed towards you only. You are harming your life. I would feel extremely happy and glad and joyful. Yes, Kashvi. So see, just remember, while the reader is reading and while you are also reading, just make a note of these italic words. Can you understand italic words? They're written in some, they're written in some slant, na?
Yeah.
So just put your mind there, that what is it? Why these words? Why this word is only written in the italicized? Why this word is italicized? So then you understand that your life, it is your life, not anybody else's life. If you are complaining about somebody, that person will not get affected. Only you will get affected. Please mute yourself.
Ma'am.
No, don't say ma'am in between. Let me complete. You can talk afterwards. Because then the link breaks and then we won't be able to complete the chapter. All the sharings, all the things what you want to share, write it down in your book, which is by your side, and then you can share, ma'am, I felt this, okay? Or maybe your answer, whatever you have will be answered in the next para. Just be patient and just listen to what is being said. You will get your chance. So where we words are very powerful. So just understand, this is very, very important para. I want all of you to listen to it very carefully. When you complain about any person, then you are actually harming your life. Lavdi, are you hearing or you're thinking of something else?
No, I'm hearing.
Okay. So when you're complaining about any person, you're actually harming your life. It is your life that will suffer. Why? Because we know about the law of attraction, that whatever you think, even if you're thinking, or I mean, you're not saying anything, but you're just thinking in your mind, words have not yet come, or you're saying in the form of words, you are bringing that to you. What are you bringing? The complaint. What you're doing, you are criticizing somebody, you're talking wrong things about your friend, you're not just gossiping, you don't know what you are doing, you're bringing that same thing, somebody else will do the same thing for you, because the law of attraction says whatever goes around comes around,
Comes
whatever
around.
you give, it comes back to you. Okay,
Like
so
attracts
this is the
like.
very reason why the greatest minds and teachers of the world have told you to be grateful. Now, this line is very important. What if every person close to you said, I love you just the way you are? How would you feel? But before that, first you have to say the person, I love you just the way you are. Can you say this to your brother or your sister? Can you
Yeah.
say this? Can you try saying this today? And
Yeah.
then see the smile on their face. You can say this to anyone. You can say this to your mom, dad, your grandmother, grandfather, your uncle, your aunt, anyone. And then see somebody, I mean, everybody will start loving you and they all will say, I also love you just the way you are. If you want to receive something, you will have to give. Only if you give, then only you will receive. And whatever you give, you're going to receive that. So today's magical practice is being grateful for people just as they are. Even if all of your relationships are currently good, they will increase with more magnificence through this practice. And with everything you find to be grateful for in each person, you will see gratitude perform its breathtaking magic, and your relationships will be stronger, more fulfilling, and more enriching than you ever thought they could be. So some of you might think, I don't have any problems with any relationships. That's fine. That's absolutely fine. If you do this practice, it will become more and more and more good. So now what we have to do is the assignment. Yes, here you can start reading.
Yes, ma'am. Choose 3 of your closest relationship to be grateful for. You might choose your wife, your son, your father, or your boyfriend, your business partner, and your sister. You might choose your best friend, your grandmother, or your uncle. You can choose any 3 relationships that are important to you, as long as you have a photograph of each person. The photograph can be just of a person or the both of you together.
Everything is answered in this para. What are you going to do? Sometimes people ask me questions. Everything is answered here. That you have to choose 3 of your closest relationships. So the choices are also given. Your father, your mother, your friend, your sister, your uncle, your aunt, your grandmom, your closest friend. Any one you can choose. Most important is everyone listening to me? As long as you have a photograph of each person, don't ask that somebody asked yesterday and it was answered that not on your cell phone or on your laptop. You will have to have a physical picture of that person, and the at the most your picture can be there but no other person. Okay, so once you've selected your 3 relationships and photographs, you're ready to set the magic into motion. Wow, is everyone ready to set the magic into motion? Everyone?
Yes.
Lovely, lovely. So now what you're going to do is sit down and think about the things you are the most grateful for each person. So what are you going to ask yourself? What are the things you love the most about this person? What are their best qualities? You could be grateful for their patience, ability to listen, talents, strength, good judgment, wisdom, love. One second, huh? Just give me a minute. Yeah, sorry. So, what are the best qualities? You could be grateful for their patience, ability to listen, talent, strength, good judgment, wisdom, laugh, sense of humor, eyes, smile, or kind heart. You know, there's so many things that you find good about a person, isn't it? So you have to look for it. Maybe you'll find initially at the upper level, you know, initially when you start, maybe you will not be able to find good things about them. Just talk about their eyes, their smile, their voice, you know, the ability to listen. They're always there for you. The patience that they have, or maybe some good qualities in them. They're very good in cooking. They're very good in dancing, you know, sketching, painting, anything you can pick up. There's so many things which you will get. So you could be grateful for the things you enjoy doing with the person. You can recall a time when the person was there for you, cared for, or supported you. So yes, please continue here. After you spent.
After you spend some time thinking about what you are grateful for about the person, put their photograph in front of you and with a
Pen and notebook.
pen and notebook or on your computer, choose the five things you are the most grateful for. Look at the photograph of each person as you make your list of 5 things. Begin each sentence with the magic word thank you. Address the person by the name and then write what you are grateful for. Thank you. Their name for what?
Yeah, so for example, if you have chosen your mom, okay, before we go further, can few of you write on the chat which are the 3 people you have chosen? For those of you who already have the pictures, can you write it on the chat? Which are the 3 people you have chosen, so that I understand whether you've understood the assignment or not? Just write it down. Sister, father, mother, Drashti, awesome, very good. My old friend from Mumbai, just one, Darsh. Three people. Rishti, mom, dad, Nana, yeah, okay, mother, father, yes, three. Mom, dad, Masi, Arya is mother, father, brother. Darsh, you understood? You have to just choose 3 people, okay? Nishi, mother, dad, mother, father, maternal, granddad, mother, brother, uncle. Lovely. So I understood. Mom, sister, and myself. No, Labdi, no, myself over here. You have to choose 3 people. Myself, where is it written myself over here? So Darsh has written one friend, my uncle, my mom. Okay, awesome. Labdi, you got it now? Yeah, you also had the same question. So both of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now you have all the 3 people. Awesome. Now you're going to say thank you. Suppose you've chosen your mom. Thank you, mom, for sending me to such a beautiful school. Thank you, mom, for making yummy dishes for me. Thank you, mom, for getting lovely clothes for me. Thank you, mom, for buying those beautiful shoes for me. You know, you're going to, and thank you, mom, for having such a kind and compassionate nature. Thank you, mom. Thank you, mom, for arranging all the things for me. Thank you, mom, for calling my friend for a sleepover. So many things you can be grateful for. So this is one example we spoke about. Like that, you're going to write for that person. So here, Rhonda says that, for example, thank you, John, for always making me laugh. Or thank you, mom, for supporting me through college. Yeah. So like that, everyone has understood till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Lovely. Yes, Ria, continue.
When you have finished your list for all 3 people, continue with this magic practice by taking the photographs with you today and putting them in a place where you will see them often. Whenever you look at the photographs today, thank the person by saying the magic word thank you and the person name. Thank you, Hele.
Yeah, please continue. If you're moving around.
If you're moving around a lot, carry the photographs with you in your bag or pocket and make an effort to look at the photographs 3 times during the day. Follow the same procedure.
Yes, so we'll pause here. So once you have written down and you have the list of all the 3 people, now very important, it's not that you're going to do for one person and then you're going to do after some time the next person and you take a break and the third person. No, it will be a concentrated practice. Okay, so one person you did, then you having the picture of the in front of you, Thank the person by saying the magic words, thank you, and the person's name. So as many things as you can be grateful for. And the second person, and then the third person. Now, if you supposing you right now, I don't know, because of the lockdown, I'm assuming we all are at home. Supposing in case you're going out for your job or anything, then carry the photograph with you in your bag or pocket, and during the day you're going to take out those photographs for 3 times. Thrice during the day you're going to take out, and you're going to be grateful to them. Okay, so everyone understood? Many people are writing. Can I write 4 names? Not now, not now. Just this practice, you don't have to think anything. Whatever the magic, as regards the magical practice is there, whatever the book tells you, do that only. Whatever the chapter tells you, do that only. After that, you can do it for your lifetime. You can do it any number of people. But right now there is a reason why they are saying 3 people, why the book is telling you 3 people. There's a scientific reason behind it, and as we go through the chapters, we'll understand why number 3 only. Okay, yeah, continue. Now you
Yes.
know.
Now you know how to use gratitude magical power to transform your magical relationship into magic.
I'll explain. I'll answer your question in just few minutes. Okay. Yes, Nia.
Now you know how to use gratitude's magical power to transform your relationship into magical relationship. Although it is not part of the requirement of this book, you may want to take this amazing practice and use it every day. If necessary, you to make every relationship you have magnificent. You can use it on the same relationship as many times as you want. The more you can be grateful for the good things, if your relationship, the faster every.
Yeah. So ideally, all these magical practices are to be done in the early hours of the day. Don't take it to the night, that I'll do in the night before my magic rock practice. And no, don't do that. Don't do that. So we are doing this chapter. You can do it tomorrow early morning. Just when you wake up, that's the best time to do. So after your magical rock practice, after you count your blessings, you can do this. Okay. Now this is very important, that you can do this practice with the same people. Supposing you've done with the one person, with your mom or your sister or your grandmom, you've done with all these 3 people, and then after that also you feel, I feel that something is still missing in my relationship. Then don't go to the next person. Choose those 3 people again the next day also, because that's a reality check for you. That's a biofeedback that you get, that whether your relation with that person is healed or not. It will show. You will be able to feel it. So you can do it as many times as you want with the same person. Is everyone getting me? Because
Yes, ma'am.
when you catch yourself by complaining towards that person, that means you haven't done the exercise properly. So the more you can be grateful for the good things in your relationships, the faster your relationship in your life will miraculously change. This is the beauty. It's so beautiful. You will see a change by yourself, and that change will be so beautiful, and that will make you so happier. Tell me one thing, if something happens with your mom or your dad and you decide that I don't want to talk to them, they're very rude, they're very mean to them, they just like my brother or my sister, and I really don't want to talk to them, do you feel happy that day or day after? Tell me that.
No, ma'am.
Yes, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
No.
You feel happy?
No.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Did you understand the question? Who's saying yes? What is it?
It's Snehi, I think.
No, ma'am.
Okay, let her answer, please. Nobody else is going to tell. Whoever said yes, please. Okay, Snehi, you said. Snehi, what was my question? Can you tell me? Snehi?
Ma'am, she's saying that it's by mistake. She has
Okay,
written in
Snehi,
the
you understood now, Snehi? You understood? Okay, very good. So very good that you understood yourself. So now let's read the magic practice number 3. I'll read it. Magical relationships. Number 1, repeat steps 1 to 3 of magic practice number 1. Count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you're grateful. Reread your list, and then at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. So once you've written the count your blessings, you're going to read that list right from from number 1. And then after you've completed that sentence, then say thank you. Then number 2, read loudly and then say thank you, thank you, thank you 3 times. Like that, you will complete all the 10 blessings. Okay. Number 2 is choose 3 of your closest relationships and collect a photograph of each person. Number 3, with the photograph in front of you, write 5 things you are most grateful for about each person. Just 5 things you need to write, and it's very, very easy. This exercise, if you're doing in a concentrated way, not moving here and there, not looking here and there, then it will just take you not more than 25 minutes or at the most half an hour. This is what I'm saying. It could take more than that. Depends upon you if you're not doing in a concentrated way. Concentrated way means sit in a silent space. Sit in a silent space where you're not disturbed by anyone. Is it possible, everyone? Yes, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So in case you've done this practice earlier when you read this, you in the previous session, you're going to do it again. Don't say I did it that time, so I don't feel like doing it. Do it. It's a bonus for you you're getting. It's a real bonus for you. And I am also going to do this exercise with you all. I must have done this so many times. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times I've already done. And this
Ma'am,
is
don't we have to do this practice our whole life?
1 second, 1 second, 1 second. So this is the 10th time I'll be doing this practice. Okay, so the more and more you do, the more and more your life will become better and your relationships will become better. 1 second, Kasvi, okay? Begin each sentence with the magic words thank you, include their name and what you're specially grateful for. Now what you have to do is very important. Don't miss this point. Don't miss this step, all of you. It doesn't end here. Now you have to just keep on remembering 3 times during the day when you look at the photographs and put them. So you have to put them in a place where you will see them often. If you're going out of the house, carry them in your pocket. And you're going to say, look into the person's face. Really, really important to look into the person's face. You don't need the physical person in front of you. Don't tell mom, you sit in front of me, I want to do this. No, you just have to take the picture of the person. And then you're going to speak to the photograph, look into the eyes of the person, look at the face of the person, and then say, then pour your heart, then say what you're feeling. And thank them by saying the magic words, thank you, mom, thank you, sister, thank you, dad, thank you, your friend, whatever. So you have to tell the name of that person. Before you, number 6 is before you go to sleep, just everybody hear this properly. Before you go to sleep, take your magic rock in one hand. Remember all the things, good things that happened during the day. And then say the magic words, thank you for the best thing that happened during the day. So we complete our today's chapter. Now we can take the questions and sharings. First, we'll take the questions. Anything which you have understood from today's chapter?
Yeah, ma'am, can I tell one?
Yes, tell your name.
Ma'am,
and then
after
ask.
Kashvi, can I say my question?
Kashvi, yeah, say. Let
I'm-
her complete, Labdi. Yeah.
I'm asking that while looking at the photo and telling them our feelings, what will happen? Just like the magic rock, and if we will write about it.
That is a surprise for you. That is a surprise for you. You have to experience that, right? If you're going to watch a movie and I'm going to ask you before you're going to watch the movie, after you watch the movie, what is going to happen, Kashvi? What will you say?
Better after I watch the movie.
Yeah, so this is what you're going to experience here also. That after you've done the practice, then you're going to understand, you're going to experience for yourself, right? Because maybe what I have experienced may not be the same of what you will experience. Maybe what Jinang is experiencing, maybe it will not be the same as what Meg will experience. Okay, So each one of us are beautiful flowers in a beautiful garden, and every flower has a different smell. So all of us are unique. Okay. So always in life, take your own experience, and that will be the biggest for your life.
Idli sambar.
My God, who's saying idli sambar? Please mute yourself. Listen, this, if you want to talk and you just, if you can't mute yourself, you can go on YouTube and listen to the recordings. Please. Don't do this. There's some important topic going on in the chapter and suddenly this word comes. Words have got great power. We just read in the chapter. And then suddenly it takes the mind to a different direction. Don't do this. If you feel it's your dinner time, you can leave. You can leave the session and go. Please don't have dinner and listen to the session. And I've told you all, I've requested you all, if you can complete with your dinner so that you can give a concentrated time to whatever you're doing. What is the name of that YouTube channel? Is Graphoyog, Graphoyog, Graphoyog by Vandana Kabra.
No, ma'am, when I saw it, it was Vandana Kabra only.
It's Graphoyog by Vandana Kabra. Okay. So the rest of you, anybody now, you have any questions?
Yeah,
I'm going to send it on the chat. Labdi, just wait. Just wait. Anybody else has any questions? Everybody is understood? Everybody is understood?
Yes.
Okay. Labdi, you can ask your question and make sure that you don't repeat whatever somebody has asked already.
No, so my question was that I want to ask from 2 or 3 days, but I can't ask. So it was about dreams, like one of a dream that I remember today. So can I write it today?
You said you wanted to ask since 2-3 days, right? And you remembered it today or you remembered it that day?
I have remember, but like.
Okay, so yeah, so I got your question. You remember the first day 0, we had a separate page. We had assigned for every area one page of the gratitude journal. Everybody understood that?
Yeah.
Remember that?
Yeah, ma'am.
So that's the reason why we had kept that one page for. Can you please mute yourself, Vrishti? Vrishti, please mute yourself.
Ma'am, I have muted only.
No, I think it was the light was reflecting there, so I don't know from where the voice is coming. Okay, so if you remember something afterwards also, not that you're in the middle of the book in the 15th, 16th, I mean, if you're remembering, advisable, no. So just, that's why I told you, give some time to yourself to just write down everything. 1 hour, 2 hours, just give your time so that, your mind doesn't keep on changing, because then it will become a habit for you. In your life, any other thing, whatever you go into, your mind will keep on changing. So just fix your mind on whatever you've written for right now. Maybe few months after, once you have got your dream list, once something you have, some of your wishes have been fulfilled, then if you can cancel that and you write another one. But right now, just fix up your mind on whatever you've written and be happy with it. Okay, everyone?
I don't have to write today or when I remember it, right?
I answered your question, Labdi. Where were you?
I was there, but I don't know. I can't understand.
Can anybody answer Labdi's question? Can anybody answer? Kashvi, can you answer her
Ma'am,
question?
can I?
Yes.
Yes,
Vrishti.
ma'am.
Ma'am, that you said that if you that you have told us that we have to leave one place for one topic of dreams. But you said that if we remember and dream on 15th, 16th day, then we can't write it then in the middle of the book.
Yeah, it's better that you just complete it now only. Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much. We had to leave one page, and if we remember dreams just afterward, just like 5 days, then only we can write, and that's only 1 2 dreams.
Yeah, but you know, it's advisable to just complete it now only. Before you go further, it was expected to be completed by day 1 or day 0. I mean, day 1 or day 2. At the most, day 1 and day 2. Because then all of you, don't you remember your dreams? If you just keep on changing, that means that they are not your true dreams. You are just wanting to take something what others have. Then they are not your true dreams. That is the case, then it will keep on changing throughout your life. Don't look at other people's shoes. You have your own pairs of shoes, just put your legs into that. Always remember. Yes, everyone, did you understand?
Yeah.
That's the reason day 0 we wrote our dreams. Na? That's the reason this chapter, this book told us to write on day 0 itself. That you write all your dreams, and it gave us so beautifully, it gave us those areas of the of our lives also. Those 6 areas. Okay, so anyone else, the next person who wants to ask the question? Anybody else? Yes.
Ma'am, if like I have a question that in one place, if I don't have any dream, then if I have a dream afterwards I start dreaming of that, then is it okay that I write it? Because I don't have dreams in a few things. Like in study, I just have one dream, and money, I don't have dreams.
Okay,
Very
so
little.
let me make you all understand what dreams are we talking about over here. Are we talking about the dreams what we see when we go to sleep? Are we talking about those dreams?
No, we are talking about that dream that want to be we become or want to achieve it.
Yes, Kashvi. Yes, Labdi, you're right. Kashvi, what you're saying? The dreams, we're talking of the dreams which don't let you sleep. They should be so, the dreams which you really want it to happen, you really want to become. At your age, it would be like what you want to become in your life, what you want to achieve in your exams, what you want to achieve in your, your passions, your hobbies, what you want to achieve with people around you. Those should be your dreams right now. Okay, not that what anybody else has. Kashvi, you're getting me?
Yeah, actually, ma'am, sometimes what happens is like I'm a little confused person. I like many things, and I can't decide one thing. Then sometimes I forget to write one thing, and I'm very confusing.
You are a confused person. You made a complaint about yourself. Now you have to write 10 blessings about yourself.
I've written 10 blessings.
You're going to write 10 blessings about yourself, 10 good things about yourself. Tell me. Yeah. Tell me 5 good things about yourself right now.
Yes, actually, I give one the book to Mokshit 1 second.
Wait, Kashvi. Can you come little forward? Because you know what happens is you're moving here and there.
Ma'am, yeah. I've given the book to my brother because he has to still see the blessings. He is even doing, his name is Mokshit. So I'm just getting the book.
No. You just tell me 5 good things about you.
Okay, my good things are that I like being kind to other people, and I think of other people.
Number 3, you've just told 2. 3. The third one?
The dream is that I'm very good at painting and art.
Okay, 4. Fourth one?
And the last thing is that I like doing things that will make everybody smile and myself happy.
Now, number 5, one more.
Yeah, I'm so happy that my hair is very nice, because some people their hair are they just can't comb them properly. So first my hair were like that, but then
okay, so you told 5 good things about yourself. Okay, so this means what? Now you have to count 5 more. Just now you said 5 because you made one complaint about yourself, not that I'm a confused person. Now you will remember never to say this because you're not a confused person in reality. You are thinking that you're a confused person. Who told you that?
And what the thing is that even in my school, like when the school
No,
was
no,
on,
no, no. Now change this about yourself. Even if in the school somebody is telling you change this, just say no. I am a bright and intelligent person. I understand everything beautifully and I take my own decisions. Don't say I'm a confused person. From today onwards, you're not going to say that again. Kashvi. Yes, Labdi, you can leave. Yes, you can have your dinner. You can leave. Okay, so if you are making a complaint for yourself, you are going to say 10 good things about you. We just read in the chapter, right? Any complaint about another person and 10 blessings. So it goes with you also. It's the same thing. In case if that happens in future, you're going to sit down there and write, take your gratitude journal and write 10 good things about you. Is it clear, Kashvi? And everybody else?
Yeah.
Never, and most beautiful thing what we learn from this is that tell the people who are closest to you, tell them I love you the way you are, and love yourself also the way you are. Is that clear, everyone? Does it make sense to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so then
Yes, ma'am.
everybody so who all are there on the call, we have 5 more minutes if you want to ask anything regarding your dreams. People who have already asked, they will not ask. People who haven't asked, they're going to ask now.
Ma'am, I want to say my dream.
Yes, Meg.
Ma'am, I want to
One
become
dream
a
will
cricketer.
share, okay? One dream.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
I want to become a cricketer.
Okay. Why? What is the reason? You have to write the reason also. Why do you want to become a cricketer?
Ma'am, because ma'am, my heart is saying to become a cricketer.
No, your heart will say one day that you want to become a boxer. You will start doing that.
No, ma'am.
So you have to have a valid reason, a
Okay, ma'am.
concrete reason. Just think about it. It could be possible that you really want to become a cricketer, but you need to find out what will happen when you become a cricketer. Will you be able to earn that much money? Will you be able to, sustain your life, sustain your
Ma'am, I am.
livelihood? Will you be able to satisfy your demands, your desires? Will you be able to satisfy your whatever I mean, it's not that you have to be dependent on your parents every time, right? You have to be dependent on yourself also. So just give yourself some time. Don't answer me right now. Answer yourself first. Just give yourself just give yourself some time. You have tonight, you have tomorrow. Just think that what is the answer coming? Why? What is the reason that I want to become a cricketer?
Ma'am, I am so I am bowling. मैम मैं बॉलिंग बहुत अच्छी करता हूँ.
अच्छा, आप बॉलिंग बहुत अच्छा करते हैं, तो आपको लगता है आप क्रिकेटर बन सकते हैं?
Yeah.
सिर्फ बॉलर होता है कि थोड़ी बैटिंग भी आनी चाहिए, और खाली उससे जस्ट I mean you want to be as your profession, as your career, you want that, or you
Yes,
just
ma'am.
want to so it define that also. Do you want it to be a hobby with what other things what you're doing? Just define that also, because these dreams are your life dreams, na? It's not that you can
Yes.
write anything or everything. Okay, Meg, did you understand? All
Yes,
of you, not only Meg, all of you understand. It will answer your questions also. That's why I tell you all to share. That's the reason I tell you all to share. Very
Okay,
good,
thank you,
Meg,
ma'am.
that you brought it up. I'm really thankful to you for bringing it up and sharing with us. So if you have a genuine reason that yes, I want to become a cricketer because it will make me famous, and people all over the world will know me, or I'll be able to earn a substantial amount from my family, or it will make me really it will give me lots of satisfaction. So you have to find that for yourself. When you're writing a dream, don't just write random dreams. This is not the intention of the book. The intention of the book is to guide you in your life in a beautiful way, in the right way. Okay? Are you all getting me, everyone?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Meg, and try to find out the answer for yourself. Very important for you all to write the reason of your dream. The reason is as important as the dream. Everyone is getting me?
Yes.
ma'am.
Lovely. Thank you for staying back. 14 people have stayed back out of those 40 people. Very good. So, yes, anybody else wants to ask anything or share anything? We have 2 more minutes. Okay, so who all want to register for the MIS? Kashvi, you understood what MIS is now?
Yeah, but actually, ma'am, I do have that.
Ma'am.
I basically told
Just go through
Shivani.
it. Just go through it and see.
Yeah, ma'am, my
I've-
brother, I went to it and he told me that it's very good, but I don't know how to sign up, and I don't even.
But you don't know what? You don't know what? I don't.
And I'm getting the thing about time because like in my other classes I'm late and my teachers tell me, so I'm getting the thing that how should I be appropriate about time.
Okay, it's not only about time, it's about a lot of other things also. Commitment is also there. Then, you know, how genuine you are, how honest you are with yourself, everything you learn in that. Okay. And of course, more and more, little better things, little more deeper things, and especially about your dreams. You will be handheld to write your dreams, how to visualize them, how to imagine them, how to make them true. So all that will be there. Okay. And you can have your own personal questions, you can ask them. So when you have the doubt clearing session. Okay. So yes, thank you everyone. Ma'am, I want to do. Okay, Zena, you saw the form, you saw the link of the MIS. So you can just go through that link and do the needful, and then your name will be added. Okay. And if anything is not understood, just message me. Because don't delay. If you are delaying, because every day there will be, you know, every chapter we are doing there, it will be a new question will be uploaded in the MISP for the MIS people. Okay. Yes. Lovely.
Yes,
Lovely. Then we can end today's session, and I'll see you all tomorrow with the assignment, with the practice. We'll have lots of sharings. Thank you everyone for being in
Thank you.
wonderful session. Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Hi, ma'am. Thank you so
Bye.
much.
Have a
Bye,
magical
ma'am. Thank you
night.
so
Have a
much.
magical night. Thank you.
Have a magical day, ma'am. Bye.
Thank you. Thank